IPQC Consulting spearheads the adoption of solar rooftop for SMEs across the country. We strongly believe this is huge opportunity for Indian MSME sector to reduce energy cost. MSME sector facing complex situation and viability of many MSMEs is question mark. In a slowdown like pandemic, MSME focus is to cut down the cost including energy cost. It is like saving is like earning. This is a great opportunity to shift MSME sector to green energy and make them energy efficient. Renewable energy, especially rooftop solar, makes sense for MSME because 1. Photovoltaic cell prices reduced drastically in recent years. 2. Clean energy makes sense because of global warming issue. 3. Government supports and extends subsidies to Indian MSME sector. 4. Renewable energy projects highly economically viable. 5. MSME sector can earn revenue from rooftops through net metering. 6. Global consumer prefers brands with green track record. Salient feature of solar projects are 1. Rate of return is at least 20%. 2. Payback period is around 3 to 4 years. 3. Idle rooftop area can be used for power generation. 4. Indian MSME sector can earn revenue through net metering. 5. Clean energy builds strong brand image in global consumer mind. 6. Attractive funding options available for MSME sector. For more information, please visit www.ipqc.in.